All right, so for the free response problem, explain why you would use a titration instead. Okay, well, a lot of times in our first year of chemistry, we might have had substance A and we mixed it with substance B. Okay, that goes in that, and that makes substance C, and it makes a really cool color, and we're like, yay, it made a cool color, awesome. And that's great. Sometimes we want to get the perfect combination. So instead of doing it that way, okay, we might do a titration with it, where here is A and here is B, and inside there we put a few drops of an indicator, and when the reaction happens perfectly, meaning there's no excess reactant, we've made the perfect amount of C and that there's no A and B left over. Okay? So basically, a titration is to ensure that we've added the perfect amount. And think of the indicator as like this weird dude who throws up a flag when that perfect amount has been added. One thing that we're going to talk about later is that when the indicator changes color, that's really actually too far. And we're going to learn ways of backtracking using pH meters to do that. Okay, so let's talk about the multiple choice question. And in this multiple choice question, we had a reaction where 2N2H4 plus N2O4 goes to 3N2 plus 4H2O. I believe that's correct, yes. Okay. And you have 8 grams of this dude, and you had 92 grams of this, and they wanted to know maximum mass of water. And when they say maximum, they're not asking you how much would come from the excess reactant. Okay, they mean how much would come from the limiting reactant, meaning the maximum amount before you run out of anything. Okay, so we got to do this twice. Let's start with 8 grams here. They told us that the molar mass was 32 grams for every 1 mole. We have a 2 to 4 ratio. And the molar mass of water is 18 grams. Okay? So when we do this all out, 8 times 4 is 32, so that's 1. So the answer is going to be 18 divided by 2, and that's going to be 9 grams. And in this one, we have 92 grams. They made it simple because the molar mass was also 92. We have a 1 to 4 relationship, and here that's 18. Okay, this is going to go, so this is 18 times 4, which is 92 grams. Okay. So, I'm sorry, 72 grams. So this is the smaller answer, so it's 9 grams, and it's A. Yay!